3 times 3 minus 3 divided by 3. We have here 3 minus 3, which equals 0. So 3 times 3 divided by 3. Now we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 0 gives us 0. So 0 divided by 3, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do the parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this subtraction. Okay, 3 times 3 gives us 9. So we have 9 minus 3 divided by 3. We have 1 subtraction and 1 division. In PEMDAS, division comes before subtraction. So first we have to do this division. 3 times 3, 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. So we have 9 minus 1, which equals 8. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 8. The correct answer is 8.